We have snow again. Happy Saturday. I know, I just parked and ran down the road from the grist mill, and we're gonna head up this hill up here. It's only in the 20s, but the sun is out, so it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Hi, puppy. Where's my Mako? There he is. So anyway, guys, I will come back and show you some more pretty views. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Saturday. Blue skies. Yeah. Hi guys. You can see the sun in the background. It is a cold morning today, but it's beautiful. Look at the snow. Isn't that pretty? And the blue sky. Yeah. It's Saturday today. And there's the trail going up there. Wow. There's my pretty boy. There he is. Hi, Mako. Yeah, we parked at the grist mill today and just decided to climb up the Ridgecrest Trail. I'm really nice and warm. I'm dressed warm. Got some layers on. But I just thought I'd check in with everybody and wish everybody a happy Saturday. I am really happy to be in the woods this morning. I'm trying out a pair of, they are seal skin waterproof socks that I put over my smart wool. I had to fix my glove. And they are amazing. I can't believe how warm my feet are. I'm wearing Ultras, the 5s, and I have a pair of smart wool, and then I have these waterproof socks over the top, and my feet are just toasty warm. And so I'm thinking that I'm going to bring them on the trail. I've been following Camper, and he hiked in 2020, COVID year. And he gave so many good suggestions because he started exactly the same time that I'm going to start. So he talked about these sealskin waterproof socks. And, you know, I was really skeptical, but I thought, well, they weren't that expensive, and I thought I'm going to give them a try. And I love them so far. So I just thought I'd share that little tidbit. Plus, I wanted to show you all the snow. It's so pretty. Look at it. Hope y'all are having a fabulous Saturday. Where's Mako? Where's my puppy? There he is. There's my boy. There he is. Where's your stick? Go find it. Go find it. Where's your stick? He's hilarious. You got your stick, go boy. He just loves the snow. He's having a ball. We are having a ball. Mako. He makes me laugh and smile every day. It's a good boy, Mako. Have a fabulous day, guys. Happy Saturday.